How to remove Lemon8 link on TikTok. Now, if you just connected your Lemon8 linked to your TikTok account, then it should be visible on the link tab on your profile. So first things first is access your TikTok application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Next thing to do is go directly to your profile at the lower right portion of your screen and head over directly to the Edit tab. Then here, if you scroll down a bit, you are gonna see a bunch of options. But the only option or field that we're looking at is the link tab, which is usually below bio. Now tap on link tab, and this is what I'm talking about earlier. If you connected or synced your Lemon8 linked on your TikTok account, then it should be visible right here. So what you want to do next is just to tap on the Lemon8 tab or the Lemon8 field and then just choose on unlinked or deleted. And that's it. That's how you remove Lemon8 link on TikTok.